Hi, I'm Lucy.
Hi, I'm Olivia the Rabbit.
Hope you guys have a wonderful holiday.
And a Happy New Year! What animal will represent 2023?
2023 is a year of the water rabbit.
That is very correct. Today we will be learning how to draw a cute rabbit gift.
Are you ready?
Let's begin, guys!
Okay. We preparing black marker and a color marker and pencil color. Okay.
Yes.
You could see here I already used pencil to draw a box, and on the top a little circle. So now I'm gonna use a marker. Are you ready?
Yeah, guys, and also this kind of looks like an oval, but put it this way.
So now I'm gonna draw the box first. Try to draw straight. If you can, you could use
A ruler.
ruler. Yes.
And this is the first time my mom's speaking English.
Yes. Okay, that's it. And then we draw a circle on the top.
But don't be too fast.
Yes.
Because we're using marker-B. We're not using.
Yeah.
We're using a marker.
Yeah,
A
not pencil.
Sharpie, not a pencil. Mine looks like a potato.
Okay. And now we draw a big smiling mouth in the middle and the circle like here. I'm gonna draw here. Wow, it's a huge one. And here's the tongue. And then we draw two smiling eyes. But you could draw any expression you like, right? I'm gonna draw smiling eye. Okay. And then we draw a triangle party hat in the middle. And there's also a fruit ball on the hat, right?
Yes.
In the middle. Yep. Ball. Hat. Also, there's some circle pattern on the head. Like this. Something like that. And now we draw the rabbit's ears. One stand up and others are hanging down. But you also can do the way you want. Okay. Here. Cute ear. Another one is a hanging down. Like this. And here, you just draw like till here, right? Oh, that's cute.
It says yay. His hat is the A.
That's cute. Super cute. And now we already draw the ears. So now draw her cute hands and hold them up. Looks very happy to celebrate New Year, right? Okay, so the hands here. Another hand. Yeah. And this hand here. And another hand. They balance the same long, right? Okay, and here we draw like this. Oh, yours different. That's cute.
She's like, it's time.
And okay, and here, remember there's a belly, right? It's a bunny's belly. A half circle. Okay, and now we finish the gift box, right? And here I already have a box, but I want to see a little 3D. So I'm gonna draw the back way. Like here, I'm gonna draw like this, right? You have to balance the same long. And then here, like connect here, right? Remember, here's like this. Because there's a far, so it's a shorter. So here is longer a little bit. I'm gonna write Happy New Year on the box.
Me too.
So up there I put Happy, H A P P Y. And here New Year, N E W Y E A R. Okay. And now we draw the party streamers. There also have some star shapes or circles or triangle. You can add any shape you want, okay? Okay, I'm waiting for you, sorry. You try to do different way, yeah? Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna draw the streamer here. Because C is a simple, but turning pretty well. Look like C. Yep. And then here, connect, and a little C.
Not connected C.
And here, look, in the middle, like a half circle. Yes. And here, another part, a little tail. Yep, that's the one. And here, I'm gonna draw another one. It's a different way. Big C. Okay, and the small C. I'm gonna here a quarter circle, connect, and here the tail.
It's good I follow mommy because then I probably put it the other way.
Well, actually, you could put another way. You don't have to all the same way. Just like your different way is more interesting, right? It's more natural. Looks like. See, turning. Okay. So now I'm gonna add the star shape. I'm gonna put a star here. Yep. I'm gonna put another one here.
I'm bad at stars.
Well, the star is not very easy. Yeah. You have to balance, right? Or triangle is the same size, right? Okay, and now I probably add like circle, right? A little circle. And triangle. Maybe a little bit here. Okay, so are you ready to coloring?
Let me draw a square.
Okay.
Done.
Okay, let's put the colors on it. Are you ready?
Yes. Guys, I love our finished product.
Yeah, me too. Oh, yours looks like singing, and my rabbit looks like be ready to celebrate New Year.
Yeah, he's like, Happy New Year.
Okay, thank you guys for watching our channel. If you like, subscribe our channel.
And comment down below what we should draw next. Bye, guys.
Bye.
See you next time.
Happy New Year.